You've heard it a million times. Content is king. But what about the queen? That's right, I'm talking about images. Images are not just pretty decorations for your website. They play a crucial role in SEO, user experience, and ultimately, your website's success. Think about it. When you search on Google, how often do you see images in the results? A lot, right? That's because Google understands that people love visuals. Images make your content more engaging, easier to understand, and more likely to be shared. But there's a catch. Just like your written content, images need to be optimized for search engines to understand and rank them. That's where image SEO comes in. In this guide, we'll reveal some secret image SEO tips that most people don't know. Get ready to boost your website's visibility and attract more visitors than ever before. Let's dive in. Imagine you're searching for a red apple on Google. Which image is more likely to show up? Image 001.jpg or red-apple- on -tree.jpg, you guessed it, the one with the descriptive file name. Your image file name is the first clue you give search engines about what your image is all about. Use relevant keywords that describe the image clearly and concisely. Separate words with hyphens for better readability. For example, instead of img 20241004.jpg, rename your image to chocolate-chip-cookies-baking.jpg. This tells Google exactly what the image is, making it more likely to rank for relevant searches. Don't stuff keywords into your file name. Keep it natural and descriptive. Remember, you're optimizing for humans too. Next up, let's give those images a voice with alt text. Alt text, short for alternative text, is a short description that tells search engines and visually impaired users what your image is about. Think of it as a secret message embedded within your image, whispering to Google, "Hey, this is a picture of a fluffy cat playing with a yarn ball." But alt text isn't just about SEO. It's also crucial for accessibility. Screen readers use alt text to describe images to visually impaired users, allowing them to experience your content fully. Here's how to write effective alt text. Be specific. Describe the image clearly and accurately. Keep it concise. Aim for 125 characters or less. Use keywords naturally. Don't stuff keywords. Focus on describing the image. Example, bad alt text, image or cat, good alt text, a playful tabby cat batting at a red yarn ball. By writing descriptive alt text, you're not only helping search engines understand your images, but also making your website more inclusive and accessible to everyone. Imagine visiting a website and the images take forever to load. Frustrating, right? You might even leave the site altogether. That's why image compression is crucial for a fast-loading website. Large image files can slow down your website's loading speed, which can negatively impact your SEO ranking and user experience. Image compression reduces the file size of your images without compromising their quality, making your website load faster. There are plenty of free and paid image compression tools available online. Some popular options include TinyPang, a free and easy-to-use tool for compressing PNG and JPEG images; ImageOptim, a free and open-source tool for Mac users; ShortPixel, a paid tool with advanced compression options and a WordPress plugin. Experiment with different tools and compression levels to find the sweet spot between file size and image quality. A faster website equals happier visitors and higher search rankings. Section 5. Structured data stand out in search results. Remember those eye-catching images that sometimes appear in Google search results? Those are called rich snippets, and they can significantly increase your click-through rate. Structured data is a special code that helps search engines understand the content on your website, including your images. By adding structured data to your images, you can tell Google what type of image it is, like a product, recipe, or infographic, and provide additional information like the image's license and author. This information can help your images appear in rich snippets, image carousels, and other visually appealing search result features, making your website stand out from the competition. You can use Google's Structured Data Markup Helper to generate the code for your images. Structured data might seem technical, but it's a powerful way to boost your image SEO and attract more clicks. Section 6. Mobile optimization, tiny screens, big impact. We live in a mobile-first world where more people access the internet on their smartphones than ever before. That's why it's crucial to optimize your images for mobile devices. Large images can eat up mobile data and slow down your website's loading speed on smaller screens. Responsive images automatically adjust their size and resolution based on the user's device, ensuring a seamless experience for everyone. You can implement responsive images using the attribute in your HTML code. This attribute allows you to specify different image sources for different screen sizes. Don't neglect mobile optimization. It's essential for a positive user experience and better SEO performance. Section 7. Tools and Resources, your Image SEO Toolkit. Optimizing your images doesn't have to be a daunting task. Plenty of tools and resources can make the process easier and more efficient. Here are some of our favorites. Google Search Console. This free tool from Google provides valuable insights into how your images are performing in search results. Screaming Frog SEO Spider. This desktop application crawls your website and identifies image-related issues like missing alt text and large file sizes. Mozbar. This browser extension provides SEO metrics for any website, including image alt text and file sizes. These tools can help you identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. With the right tools at your disposal, you'll be well on your way to image SEO success. Section 8. Measuring success. Is your image SEO working? Once you've implemented these image SEO tips, it's essential to track your progress and see what's working. Here are some key metrics to monitor image search. Traffic. Use Google Analytics or Google Search Console to see how much traffic your website is getting from image searches. Image click-through rate, or CTR. This metric tells you how often people are clicking on your images in search results. Image rankings. Track your image rankings for relevant keywords using a tool like SEMrush or Ahrefs. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process and continuous optimization is key to long-term success. Section 9. Common mistakes. Avoid these image SEO pitfalls. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes that can hurt your image SEO. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Using irrelevant or generic file names. Stick to descriptive file names that accurately reflect the image content. Stuffing keywords into alt text. Focus on writing natural and descriptive alt text that benefits both search engines and users. Neglecting image compression. Large image files can slow down your website, so always compress your images before uploading them. Ignoring mobile optimization. Ensure your images are responsive and load quickly on all devices. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to image SEO success. Learn from these mistakes and keep your image SEO strategy on point. Section 10. Future of Image SEO. What's next? As technology evolves, so too will the world of SEO. Here are some emerging trends to keep an eye on in the future of image SEO visual search. With the rise of visual search engines like Google Lens and Pinterest Lens, optimizing your images for visual search will become increasingly important. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already playing a role in image recognition and analysis. Expect to see more AI-powered tools that can automate image optimization tasks. User-generated content, or UGC, such as images shared on social media, can be a valuable source of traffic and engagement. Encourage your audience to share images related to your brand. By staying ahead of the curve and embracing these emerging trends, you can ensure your image SEO strategy remains effective in the years to come. The future of image SEO is bright. Embrace the changes and stay ahead of the game. Section 11. Conclusion. Ready, set, optimize. Congratulations. You've reached the end of our ultimate guide to secret image SEO tips. You now have a powerful arsenal of strategies and tools to boost your website's visibility, attract more visitors, and achieve your online goals. Remember, image SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. By consistently implementing these tips, monitoring your progress, and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape, you'll reap the rewards of a well-optimized website. So what are you waiting for? It's time to put these tips into action and watch your website soar to new heights. Go forth and optimize.